Hi, and welcome to this Premium Plus tips and tricks video. My name is Anton, and I'm here to tell you about bulk editing in Zendesk. With bulk editing, you can easily update multiple tickets at once, and it allows you to assign tickets, update status, or edit ticket fields, and many more. It also lets you submit a public or internal comment to all the selected tickets at once. So let's take a look in our Zendesk instance what it looks like. So if you want to bulk edit tickets, you can select them by checking the box in front of the ticket, or you can just select the box on top to select them all in one go. As soon as you select a ticket, you see that the bottom bar appears where you have a button saying edit. Click it and you get one overview, one smaller agent workspace where you can change the form, you can change the assignee, you can still select the take it button, for instance, to assign it to yourself in an easy way, or any other custom field you have in your Zendesk. You can change the subjects if you want, and of course you can add a public reply or an internal note to all of them in one go. Let's say I add an internal note. There you go. I can then use the submit button to submit it and even select a specific status I want. Let's still keep it open. I'll select submit as open, and you'll see that all 3 tickets will be updated at the same time. If I open one, I now see that there's an internal note on this ticket. So that's how you can bulk edit tickets. I hope you learned something from this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.